Okay, so I'm here with KK, gorgeous already. And as you can see, we've got a beautiful winged liner on this side of the eye. So I'm gonna show you how I achieved that on this side. So KK does have hooded eyes. Now, hooded eyes are not one size fits all, so everyone's can be slightly different. So you do have to customize for yourself. So we're gonna start by marking first before we even get to the liners. You can see how you like it before you commit to it, right? So I'm gonna have you stare straight ahead, and I'm coming to the outer edge here, and I'm really looking at the lower lash line here, and I'm imagining that extending. So I'm feeling this is a little too high. Ta-da, remove it all really quickly.
What color eyebrow pencil are you using?
Honestly, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
So whatever you have that you're using on your brows will work. Now we can start with our liquid liner. Don't go right for the wing. Go in first from the outside of the eye. And I'm bringing this really close to her lash line. And I'm not gonna go all the way in. I'm stopping at about midway. There's one more thing you can do. So I like to take a little bit of concealer, just use whatever you're using under your eye in more of a controlled, a small brush, something that you can really get in there. So you can see there's just a little natural shadows down there. And while that's fine, if you want a graphic moment, just adding a little bit of a concealer can really do a world of wonders. Once it's done, it really sharpens that line up. So there you have it. I added a little bit of mascara because, well, we all love mascara, right? Of course, especially with liner. And as you can see, keeping the line thin, using a liquid liner that allows you to do that really helps with hooded eyes. Using something like an eyebrow pencil or an eyeliner to sketch out and really find that shape that works for you best is a foolproof way to do this. And that touch of concealer underneath sharpens it up and you're done. Really easy.